Good morning, students of Standard 2nd. DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Songi, welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is the crow's nest with a story. Okay, this is a kind of story. This lesson is based on story, moral story. This lesson is taken from your English reader. Let's see the new story. Look at this picture and imagine a story. Okay, look at this picture. All animals in the jungle, and there is a tortoise and rabbit. So think it on the picture. Look at this picture and think and imagine this story. Okay, so I am telling you starting of the story. Okay, so listen carefully. You have to do it your own story. Looking that picture, we can do this story. Once in the forest there lived many animals. Rabbit was very proudy. He thought that no one can run as fast as he can. Once Rabbit and Tortoise decided to have a race. They decided starting point and finishing point, and all animals gathered there to see the race. The rabbit ran fast and soon left the tortoise far behind, and the tortoise continues to move very slowly but without stopping. This is the story of tortoise and rabbit. So you have to complete this story in your copy. And the moral of the story is slowly and steadily can win the race. So students, complete this story. And in the last video, look at this picture also. We can make the story from this picture, Thirsty Crow. Look at this. Once upon a time there was a very hot day in the forest. The crow was very thirsty. In this way you can make the story. In the last video we saw the crow's nest, this lesson. This is also a story type lesson. So I am reading this lesson once again. This is revision part of this lesson. So listen carefully. Kalu the crow lives in the nest. It is growing hot. So he goes for a holiday to another tree. A river flows near the tree. Kalu rows a boat in the river. He likes to work in the garden. He sows seeds in the garden. He mows the grass. He had a good time for 5 days. He goes back to his nest. But there is a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. The crow says, "This is my nest," says Kalu. "But now I live in this nest," says the parrot. The crow gives a blow to the parrot. The parrot also gives a blow to the crows. There is a big fight between Kalu and the parrot. All the animals come to see the fight. The fox says, "Go to the king. He is sitting under the big rock. He knows what to do." The two birds go to the big rock. The eyes of the cunning fox glow. He thinks, "I will eat them, but I must go slow, or they will fly away." When the birds reach the rock, they hear a voice saying, "Come here and tell me your story." Since it is very dark under the rock, the birds are not able to see the king. As soon as the birds go near, the fox jumps on them. He kills and eats them. This is the story of the crow's nest. Without thinking, they do the action, so that the bad ends happen with the crow and parrot. Now the assignment time. And today's activity is draw pictures and make a story. Use such type of picture, means such type of outline pictures. Draw pictures on A4 size paper and make a story. Look at these pictures. You can make the story of thirsty crow, or you can make the story of rabbit and the hare. Sorry, tortoise and the hare, means rabbit and tortoise one story you can make it. Okay, as your own choice, you make the one story. Okay students, got it? So do this activity at home. Bye, thank you, have a nice day, and learn all the parts of this lesson. Okay, the crow's nest. We will meet you in the next video.